Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for June 27, 2017. For your Tuesday, we're going to have another partly cloudy day. The trough is actually going to be settling over the area and fully entrenched over the area. This is going to be the peak cooling day, if you will, of this mini cool shot. Yesterday, of course, where many locations were stuck in the 70s. We had a few locations down to southeast that got over 80, but for the most part, we were in the 70s yesterday for highs, upper 70s, but we'll head back a couple degrees to mid-70s, mid to upper 70s today. And there is an opportunity for an afternoon shower, but it's going to be a very brief, very isolated type thing. There's a system moving off to our north. This is in association with this upper-level trough. And you can see some very spotty stuff here showing here. So let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar, see if we can get some kind of, make some kind of sense out of this. But here is a look at 1 p.m. You see a few dots here. This is all this is going to be. Mainly favoring the northern half of coverage area. We have the opportunity anywhere to see a pop-up shower. And you can see this little stuff here popping up. Hit or miss, and this is 4, 5, 6, and I think once you get past 6, it's 6 or 7 p.m. This kind of falls apart, and that's it. So again, very hit or miss, very isolated. So if you do see a shower today, don't be surprised, but we'll probably list about a 20% chance of seeing a shower today. Not a big deal. And that moves off, and then with it, the trough is going to start to relax a little bit here on Wednesday. High pressure is going to be off to our south. This is a very strong high pressure, but it's going to be kicking this trough out. As this moves offshore, it's going to eventually become a Bermuda high, but we're still going to be under the influence of the trough a little bit, just not as strong as Tuesday, and we're still going to have winds out of the west-northwest on Wednesday around that high pressure, so that's going to allow temperatures to moderate a little bit, but maybe we get back to about 80 instead of mid-70s. So that's what we do here on Wednesday. Going to Thursday now, we expect the high pressure again to move offshore. You can see that starting to do that now. Since it's going to be doing that and establishing itself, you're going to have a return flow coming in from the southwest instead of west like it has been for the last couple of days. That's going to get the temperatures cranking here already on Thursday, and temperatures should reach in many places, mid to upper 80s, if not a little higher than that in some spots. But that's going to be on Thursday. You're going to start feeling the humidity coming up as this high pressure moves offshore. Once it gets established as Bermuda high, which it does by Friday, you can see it way off the picture here. That's because Bermuda is not in our in this particular image, but you're going to have a combination of things. You're going to have this cold front situated off the northwest. This is going to be slowed up by this high pressure out here, so it's not going to be able to move down complete to the south. So we're just expecting an isolated chance for a thunderstorm here on Friday. You can see that here, again, mainly favoring the interior northern areas for that to occur. And again, that's on Friday. Very warm temperatures on Friday, and in fact hot in other places. Down here by Philadelphia, should reach the 90-degree mark here on Friday. And again for Saturday, for that matter, up in the interior, we're expecting temperatures to be at least in the middle 80s. So it'll be a very warm and humid day on Friday. Once we get to Saturday, I think the chances are going to be more isolated. Everything's going to try to stick off to our west again, favoring the interior out towards central PA for that isolated chance of storms. But you can see further southeast, not really too much going on. So we'll have unabated temperatures reaching the 90-degree mark once again for many locations here on Saturday. Again, with the humidity in place, it's going to feel a lot warmer than that. Then this front is going to come through on Sunday. It's going to be very slow to come through, though, and that's again because of this high pressure sitting out here. It can't move very fast. So the frontal boundary is trying to come through, which is actually sitting back here. Out ahead of it, you have the scattered showers and thunderstorms. So I'll call it a variably cloudy day here on Sunday with a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms as opposed to isolated like we had the previous 2 days. And then we get forward to Monday. We actually head to a partly cloudy day. Not expecting precipitation here on Monday, but this next system moving off to the north is going to drag another cold front. Should come through here on the holiday itself, and you can have scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening on the 4th of July. So that's what we're looking at for the upcoming week. That's just a snapshot. Of course, the models, when they're getting further out in time, and I talked about this yesterday in the video, they like to overplay precipitation amounts. So this looks ominous here. This looks like, wow, we're going to get some heavy rain here on the 4th of July. I wouldn't bank on that just yet. I think this is just picking up on some thunderstorm activity with locally heavy rainfall possibility during storms. So it doesn't mean everybody's going to get these storms or everybody's going to get heavy rain. It's going to be one of these the models trying to figure that out, and you're looking at something a week away. So that definitely over time will start narrowing it down a little bit. But they tend to overdo it when it comes to projections for precipitation a week ahead. So we'll just follow this in the upcoming week. I wouldn't get too concerned about this just yet. If you have any outdoor plans this upcoming holiday weekend, the best days right now are Friday, Saturday, Monday. Okay, not saying Sunday and Tuesday won't be okay. I still have scattered showers and thunderstorms. You're going to have to dodge both days, though, it looks like. And that's your best chance for storms, but we'll follow that up with future videos and follow the forecast closely over the next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for June 27th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.